The first line of question 7 is definition sum underscore 2n. This will create the like a function sum underscore 2n. And that function is start on the next line, which is sum equals 0. Start off the values to make sure the value is already 0. And next line will be for I in range. So we'll repeat the function in this range, which is 1, comma n plus 1. So that includes the value of n. So 1 through n plus 1. Make sure to include the value of n. And now we get to sum plus equals I. This is to this means it's add itself to I, which is this range right here. And we'll just return the value the value of the sum that just happened. This last line will just print the sum to underscore 2, and then this will also make n equal to 10. So do two things: print the value and assign n to 10.